شكله في نووي هنا. هذه البداية. اوكي، بداية لعب جديد. طيب الاعدادات برفع السطوع شوي، برفع الجودة، بخلي الجودة كلها فل اتش دي، مرتفع 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 مرتفع. عطني فائق يا حبيبي، عطني فائق 50 90، فجر الدنيا يا حبيبي. اوه شو البداية. طب ليش انجليزي؟ اوكي قاعد يعلق شوي. طيب إذا لاعب جديد.
Hi there.
هذا آدم يا جماعة.
I know that in other games you usually see instructions and controls on the screen. But in this game, I, the character, will explain most things to you myself.
آدم.
First, let me introduce
نعرفك
myself.
آدم. صحيح يا آدم.
I'm a former Special Forces member, which means I'm a professional in military operations and battlefield combat. Now let's talk about the controls. To move me, you'll use these buttons.
To move me.
Though I know you already know this because you've played plenty of games.
طبيعي.
To sprint, you need to hold.
شيء طبيعي هذا اللي الركض.
If you look to the far left, you'll see this bar. It represents my stamina for running. If it runs out, I'll stop sprinting and need to catch my breath until my energy recovers. Now let's talk about weapons and combat. As you can see, I carry an advanced custom AR rifle with a 35-round magazine. I also have 5 additional magazines stored in my bulletproof vest. To aim, hold. To shoot, press. While aiming, this rifle has moderate recoil, but it's manageable. To reload, press. Reloading takes 3 seconds, but if I get hit during the process, it will be interrupted and you'll have to reload again. Now, let's talk about the mechanical wrist blade. This weapon is designed to deploy and retract its blade mechanically. Perfect for high-impact close combat, it deals heavy damage to nearby enemies and can strike multiple targets at once. To use it, press. And now, the big gun, the ATGM guided missile. To use it, hold and keep your finger on it. Do not shake or make me move while aiming. Keep everything steady, focus on the target, and fire. Keep in mind, this weapon won't always be available. It carries only 1 missile, so we'll use it only when absolutely necessary. Now look up at the top right of your screen. See that green heart plus icon? That's my health. The lower it is, the closer I am to death. I think that's enough for now. If you need anything, I'll talk to you during the game. And if you forget any controls, you can always check the menu.
حبيبي يا آدم.
Now,
let's go يا آدم. واضح كفيت ووفيت والله سيدي. جاهز أنا. هاي سيدي. تاج راسي. اوكي. ما فهمت. الأسبوع الماضي. لا يكون موجود خلل بسيط. كني متأكد أن هناك كثيرون مما لا يخبروننا. هذا من هذا؟ هذا لا، هذا مو أي دولة هذا. ما أرفع لك التحية، أنا بس أرفع التحية لآدم حبيبي. ممتاز. نقطع إيده عشان نقدر ندخل. شكله باين أمريكانو.
Is everything ready? الخشي جاهز.
صوت.
Yes.
يجب أن يكون كل شيء جيد. الأمير في الطريق. أوف. لازم يخلون الشخصيات الرئيسية كذا صوتها خشن، يعني هو الشرير، من صوته هو الشرير. هل كل شيء جاهز؟ نعم كل شيء جاهز. إن الشخصية المهمة آتية في الطريق. أيكون أنا. الكيان بدأت الجلسة الأولى.